In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to center text in Google Sheets. Centering text is a simple yet effective way to improve the readability and presentation of your data, ensuring that everything looks neat and tidy. Let's delve into the process, which involves understanding both vertical and horizontal alignment options available to us in Google Sheets. To begin with, it's important to recognize that Google Sheets offers two primary types of alignment: vertical and horizontal. Each type serves a different purpose and can dramatically influence how your data appears within a cell. Vertical alignment dictates the position of your text within the height of the cell. Typically, text is aligned at the bottom by default. However, aligning it to the top or center can sometimes make your data appear more visually balanced, especially when dealing with larger cells or multiple lines of text. On the other hand, horizontal alignment controls the placement of your text along the width of the cell. By default, text tends to be aligned to the left, while numbers are usually aligned to the right. Repositioning this to the center can oftentimes enhance the layout, particularly when you want to emphasize a certain section of your spreadsheet. So how do we go about changing these alignments? It's actually quite straightforward. First, highlight the cell or range of cells that you want to adjust. Once you've highlighted your selection, direct your attention to the Google Sheets toolbar. There, you'll notice an alignment button resembling horizontal lines. Click this button, and you'll see a drop-down menu appear, offering various alignment options. For vertical alignment, you may choose top, middle, or bottom, depending on your preference or the specific requirements of your sheet. For horizontal alignment, options will include left, center, and right. Once you've decided on the preferred vertical and horizontal alignments, simply click the respective options in the menu. As soon as you apply your choices, you'll see the text in your selected cells shift to reflect your alignment adjustments. And just like that, you've mastered the art of centering text in Google Sheets. This knowledge is incredibly useful, not just for aesthetics, but for streamlining data interpretation. Aligning text properly can make a substantial difference, especially when sharing your sheets with others who need to quickly grasp the content. Practice these steps a few times to get the hang of it, and before you know it, centering text will become second nature in your spreadsheet workflows. Enjoy using these alignment techniques to make your spreadsheets not only functional, but also visually appealing. Thank you for watching, and feel free to leave any questions or comments below. Happy organizing!